We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to give you the most comprehensive and accurate overview of the Ergonomic Office Chair, cheap desk chair, mesh executive computer chair, with lumbar support for women and men by Best Office, in green. If you own this chair, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Best Office Ergonomic Office Chair stands out as one of the most popular budget-friendly desk chairs available today. With over 50,000 ratings and an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars, it is clear that this chair has made an impression on a wide range of users. Designed to offer ergonomic support, flexibility, and ease of assembly, it targets both home office and traditional workspace environments. This review synthesizes user feedback and product details to provide a thorough evaluation of its features, performance, usability, and value. Starting with assembly, one of the most frequently cited positives is the straightforward setup process. The chair comes with all the necessary hardware and tools, and most users report that assembly takes between 15 and 40 minutes depending on experience. The instructions, while not perfect, are generally clear enough for most people to follow. Some users note that the directions could be improved, but the overall consensus is that the process is manageable, even for those with minimal experience assembling furniture. The packaging is well organized, with each part individually wrapped and all screws and tools clearly labeled, which helps prevent confusion and missing components. Many users appreciate that the chair arrives in a compact, well-protected box, minimizing the risk of damage during shipping. Once assembled, the chair's design becomes apparent. The aesthetic is modern and sleek, with a vibrant green color that brightens up any office space. The mesh back and solid back style combine to create a look that is both professional and inviting. The chair is designed for adults and is suitable for a variety of settings, including offices, home workspaces, and activity rooms. Its compact dimensions, 22.6 inches deep, 23.2 inches wide, and 37 inches high, make it a good fit for smaller spaces, while the lightweight construction at 18 pounds allows for easy movement and repositioning. Ergonomics are a key selling point of this chair. The human-oriented design provides users with full mobility, whether working, gaming, or attending meetings. The chair features a middle back design that aims to offer lumbar support, and the high-density sponge cushion provides a flexible and comfortable seating experience. The breathable mesh back helps keep users cool during long periods of sitting, and the seat height is adjustable to accommodate different desk heights and user preferences. The chair also swivels smoothly and rolls easily on hard floors, making it practical for dynamic office environments. In terms of comfort, user experiences are mixed but generally positive, especially considering the chair's price point. Many users report that the chair is surprisingly comfortable and supportive, even after several months of daily use. The seat cushion is described as adequately padded for most users, and the back support is effective for maintaining good posture. For those with specific needs, such as sciatic or sacral spine issues, the firm seat surface can be beneficial. The chair's ability to adjust up and down is appreciated, as it allows users to find their ideal seating position. However, there are some notable drawbacks. One of the most common complaints is the quality of the lumbar support. While the chair does include a lumbar support feature, it consists of a stiff plastic piece behind the mesh. For shorter users, this can result in the plastic pressing uncomfortably into the center of the spine, which can be unpleasant during extended use. Taller users, especially those over 200 pounds or above 6 feet tall, may find the chair too small and uncomfortable for prolonged sitting. The seat cushion, while initially comfortable, may wear out quickly with frequent use, particularly for heavier individuals. Another issue raised by users is the presence of a strong chemical smell from the seat cushion upon unboxing. Some users report that airing out the chair for a couple of days does not completely eliminate the odor, and additional cleaning may be necessary. While this is not a universal experience, it is worth noting for those who are sensitive to chemical smells. Noise is another area where the chair receives criticism. Several users mention that the chair creaks loudly when sitting or moving, with the spring mechanism, sometimes feeling insecure or unstable. This can be distracting in quiet environments and may be a concern for those who require a silent workspace. The armrests are also a point of contention. They are described as low and awkward, offering little in the way of comfort or support. For users who rely on armrests for ergonomic positioning, this may be a significant drawback. Despite these issues, the chair receives praise for its overall value. At a price point often around $36, it is considered an excellent option for those seeking a temporary or budget-friendly solution. The chair is sturdy and durable enough for light to moderate use, and many users report that it holds up well over time. The metal finish and powder-coated frame add to its durability, and the chair has passed commercial safety tests, supporting up to 250 pounds. The chair's mobility is another advantage. The swivel base and smooth rolling casters make it easy to move around, whether repositioning at a desk or shifting between workstations. The chair's lightweight design further enhances its portability, making it a good choice for those who need to frequently rearrange their workspace. In terms of aesthetics, the chair is available in multiple colors, with the green version adding a pop of color to any office. Users appreciate that the chair looks as described in product listings, with the color matching expectations. The modern, minimalist design fits well with a variety of decor styles, from traditional offices to contemporary home workspaces. Maintenance is straightforward, with the chair requiring only occasional wiping to keep clean. The mesh back resists dust and debris, and the metal frame is easy to maintain. The boxed edge cushion style and tapered leg design contribute to the chair's overall clean appearance. For those considering this chair for long-term use, it is important to set expectations appropriately. While the chair offers good support and comfort for the price, it may not be suitable for extended daily use by larger individuals or those with specific ergonomic needs. The lack of advanced features such as adjustable lumbar support, reclining positions, or customizable armrests limits its suitability for users who spend many hours at their desk each day. However, for students, occasional home office workers, or those seeking an affordable seating solution, the chair represents solid value. The chair's popularity is reflected in its high sales rank, consistently appearing among the top managerial and executive chairs on major retail platforms. Its positive reviews highlight its strengths in affordability, ease of assembly, and basic ergonomic support. Negative reviews tend to focus on comfort issues for taller or heavier users, the chemical smell, noise, and the limitations of the lumbar support and armrests. In summary, the BestOffice Ergonomic Office Chair is a well-rounded, budget-friendly option that meets the needs of many users seeking a simple, comfortable, and easy-to-assemble desk chair. Its strengths lie in its affordability, modern design, and adequate ergonomic features for light to moderate use. While it may not satisfy the demands of users seeking premium comfort or advanced adjustability, it excels as an entry-level office chair. The chair's lightweight construction, smooth mobility, and vibrant color options make it a practical addition to any home or office setting. If you are looking for a temporary or secondary chair, or if you are furnishing a workspace on a tight budget, this chair is worth considering. Remember, if you have experience with this chair, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed choices. The link to the product is in the description. It supports the channel.